Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Not too much about Corel. In a way, Engraving Concepts is hosting a training classes for Corel, and I'll just explain it here in a second. But it's not in conjunction with the Graphic Pro Warehouse or Graphic Pro Expo that is in Irving, and they're in Irving. So the Graphic Pro starts, the showroom starts on the 6th and the 8th. Their classes start on the 5th. If you are going to go to the Graphic Pro, go a couple days early and learn a lot. I'm really proud of this. I'm excited about it. If you will take a screenshot of that, it'll talk a lot more about the classes coming up in Engraving Concepts, give you some details. And this one right here is for the Graphic Pro if you don't know anything about them. And I'm not really advertising for them, but I thought if you're going to the show, you might want to swing by both of them. If you're coming to our show only, you might want to consider going to the Graphic Pro show or Graphic Expo. I keep calling it Pro. Anyway, it's March. Our classes are March 3rd and 4th. Jason Ram and his wife Deanna are hosting a 3-hour class on that Monday from 2 to 5. And it's going to be all about photographs and how you can do them in Corel. There's several programs that can do them outside of Corel, and which I use one of them. But Jason has it down. He's actually asking you to bring your own photographs, and they'll work on them. They'll have a laser in the room. They'll actually do some. And meantime, you can always go by Engraving Concepts, and they'd be more than willing. Randy Allen would give you a demo on all the different machines, the latest and greatest. My two classes are that Tuesday morning from 10 to 11:30, hour and a half. It's going to be about CorelDraw. It's going to be about starting a new page on through advanced. And I'm going to teach you contours and things like that, and hotkeys and macros. And there's really no time limit. We could actually stay a little bit longer and we could do some questions. Well, we would want to take lunch. But then I have another class from 1 to 2:30, another hour and a half class. And it's called All About Wood. I'm 71 years old, and I've been doing woodwork since junior high school. I have tons of samples that I'm going to have on board. I'm going to show you how to inlay wood in other woods. I'm going to show you how to inlay like mother of pearl and a bunch of things. I'm going to show you what woods work the best and which ones you might want to stay away from, which ones engrave better than not. I'm going to show you just tons of samples, like I call it paint and replace, where you'll just have to come and see it. So plan on coming. So this QR code right here will get you in, show you how to get a ticket, and it's going to have a lot more information on the times. And then this one right here is for, and once again, I'm not advertising for Graphic Pro or Graphic Pro Expo, but it is a neat event. I go every year. I actually go with Jason Deanna every year. All three of these classes have been taught in Las Vegas at the APA show. If you've never been able to go to Las Vegas, which is way over here, and you live, if you live anywhere, this would be worth a flight. But if you live, within this circle, it's an easy drive. And, plan is at least come for our classes and stay a little longer. And we're going to be at the show on Thursday, and I enjoy still taking classes from Graphic Pro, and I'll probably attend a couple of their classes just to learn a few things. But I'm just putting that out there. And so go to that QR code. Engraving Concepts has it really logged out with the times and everything, and we'll have a great time. And also in my class, bring your laptop and bring your questions, bring a thumb drive with some pictures or your clip art on it that you're having trouble, a file that you're having trouble, and we'll figure it out. Anyway, hope to see you there.